Okay, so today we got something a little unique. We're going to do a quick unboxing. We're over here at a buddy of mine's, Brian and Sonia Ferran, Bluegrass Engravings. If you haven't, go check them out on Instagram and Facebook. They're our hand engravers. They do all custom belt buckles, and we're partnering with them to do a combination of some laser engraving with some hand engraving on some really kick-ass firearms. So we're going to unbox and see what we took delivery of today. After this is all done, I got paperwork so I can take the damn thing home and work on the rest of them. Okay, let's see what we got delivered today. Never seen it take two damn people to open up a box. Ooh. Oh man. Let's turn it upside down. It's a heavy son of a gun. Okay, so we paid for a case. Yeah.
That's nice. I wasn't expecting a case.
Auto Ordnance, the Chicago typewriter. And of course, Capo has to be involved. Yep. So what do we got?
This is a 1927 A1. And these are extra special because these don't have the roll marks on them. And these are the original rolling stamps. And these are hallmarked Worcester, Massachusetts.
Where their new factory is in Pennsylvania.
So, walnut furniture, heavy, I believe they're 13.5 pounds.
Sweet. Oh, absolutely.
Comes with a stick.
That entire side is clean for engraving. This side just has those roll marks on it, so we have all of that to engrave. The top has a little bit on it. Damn, these things are heavy as shit.
Mm-hmm.
What does this come with?
Comes with a stick and a drum. Yep, these are going to be fun.
By the time we're said and done, they'll be fully engraved, and a few special things that'll go with it as well. So let's move to the next small box and see.
We got a couple.
Let's see what we got.
It's like Christmas all over.
One
And two.
two. All straight from Auto Ordnance. These are going to be identical.
And once again, they made these for us without any roll marks.
These were actually manufactured specifically for what we're going to do with them. The 1911s, the only stamps on them are the serial number.
Yep.
And I can't read upside down.
And Greeley, Pennsylvania.
So these came from the new factory. However, the Thompson came from
The old factory.
the old factory.
That feels good. These are brand new, of course. They've never had a magazine on them.
We'll wind up switching the grips to custom grips. And then when we're said and done with them, these literally have come straight from the factory. No bluing, no nothing. These will wind up being blued in whatever bluing solution that you use.
They'll all be hot blued.
So what I tell you is stay tuned as we progress through the stages of the disassembly, engraving, and then the custom box that these will go into. They'll be posted as we get to them. I hope you enjoyed. You can like and subscribe if you want. I really don't care. If you got something out of this, feel free. Other than that, y'all have a great day.